Hey guys, wanna go on a road trip?
Sure.
Okay, let's go to the van. Hey Floppa, can I turn on the radio?
Sure.
Nice choice.
We're arriving at McFloppa's soon. What do you want to order?
I'll get a 2-piece chicken, extra gravy with a cheeseburger.
For hash browns to gravy and 1-piece chicken.
Great. I'll have 3-piece chicken, 1 gravy, and 2 ice creams. We're here.
I'm so hungry.
Me too.
Same here.
Order 69 ready at the counter.
That must been us. I'll get the food.
Okay. Do we have school tomorrow?
Yeah. It's our first day.
I'm back, guys, with the food.
That was delicious.
I feel like case. Oh, right now.
Okay, let's go.
It's been hours.
Yeah, I know.
Let's go home so we can rest for our first day of school.
Smart idea.